Hi everyone, welcome to Master Paint channel. In this video, I'm going to paint a live portrait of my friend. In the first step, I use a light source and set a good lighting. In this section, try to put 50% of the face in lightness and the other 50% in darkness. In the second step, I make a base color from the combination of cadmium red, white, lemon yellow and some sap green as a complementary color and make a shape similar to the face shape. By adding some Indian red and permanent rose and a little complementary color, I create a suitable darkness and define the axis of the eyes and the line perpendicular to it to show the nose and lips. Then with the same color I show the area of the eye socket in general. Now I can follow the dark path and implement different parts of the face with simple forms and achieve a basic structure. At this stage, the sizes, the area of each section and the direction of the lines are very important. Don't rush at all and reach the structure step by step by comparing the areas. You may have to constantly make changes to the initial drawing, so keep doing this until all bugs are fixed. At this stage, you should achieve basic similarities. After creating the basic structure and approximate similarity with the previous two colors, we enter the details. Now we use the combination of alizarin and its complement green and show parts of the eyes. At this stage, pay close attention to the sizes and proportions. For example, the distance between the two eyes, the distance between the eyes and the eyebrows, the size of the forehead, and things like that should be constantly checked and compared. The skeleton of the face can be clearly visualized and the cheeks can be seen in the light and dark parts due to its lateral darkness. The shape around the face should be carefully determined at this stage. We show this by performing peripheral lines and we may constantly correct it during painting. The next step, we improve the painting by creating a variety of colors in each part and creating the previous colors and creating different contrasts, and also the implementation of details continuous. Painting a portrait requires constant and conscious practice. In fact, you're ready for it when you have enough knowledge of drawing, colors and understanding of forms. So I suggest you consider the useful and practical playlist of my channel called Form Perception. Well, I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and wait for new videos. Good luck.